You saw in the pre-trip. Hot water heater. Power up on camping. What do you think of that strat?
Nice!
I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but this is the pine tree. It's right next to camp. It's just buzzing, full of bees. Might be able to see this one right close here. They're just bees. Well, bee sounds. I mean, I could see a couple of them, but it sounds like there's hundreds. I wonder if a queen left her nest. She's got her crew with her up in this pine. It's pretty wild.
Did you feel it? I got it
No,
back.
I didn't feel it.
What's up, guys? Well, we're trying to do a little scouting. And we were hoping that we were going to find an edge on the other side of this aspen patch. We busted the deer. Heard it pound off. So we let it sit for a little bit and then decided to just push on through, and it's getting worse and worse. The fellas are back there. I guess somebody hear something. Alright, I guess we're going to push on a little bit further. See what we can find an edge or not. Welcome to day 2. Making all kinds of noise. This looks like a game trail right here. And take a closer look. That's fresh. Look how green that is. That's fresh. Fresh ground. Well, we know where they're getting food. The water's not very far from here. There's a pond that's that way about a quarter of a mile. Then we passed up a creek that got water in it back about a mile or so. So there's water and food around here and cover. We're in the right spot, but we can't get on them. It's just too thick. Still pretty hard. That is some small deer poops. Those white things are eggs. Well, how much fun was that, fellas?
When I'm not hunting, I crash through stuff like that. Let's see. I wear long sleeves. And yeah, you guys are probably ripped up.
More my leg.
Your legs?
Yeah.
Man, I got nothing.
You can't keep going down.
Alright, let's get in this Subaru. Put Bruce's head in there. What's up, guys? We're back at camp. Today didn't go as planned, but it's alright. We ended up getting tore up by a lot of locusts and got real sweaty, got real hungry. So we're back at camp. Let me show you what I'm cooking up here. Get some salmon fillets for late lunch. Let's see if you got on the thermometer. Oh, we're there. We're way there. I'll set you down and get to eating. What's up, guys? Check this out. Next level camping here.
Ready?
That's our shower baby. Yeah. And this
Where do you want the door?
is what you saw in the pre-trip preparations. GASLAND hot water heater. Power up on camping. It's not bad.
That means switch the tarp.
So I'm gonna finish setting this up, and we're gonna test it out on its maiden voyage. Here's what we got, Bruce. We got gas, propane, goes up into the inlet. We got 12 volts DC that powers the pump, and that's this connection here. I've already got the negative connected, so the positive goes there.
Okay.
Got a water inlet, which has a little kind of like, it's not cheap, but it's a cheap little screen, plus a little bit of weight on it, so it keeps it down at the bottom. And a 5-gallon bucket. So that goes through the pump into the water heater. When the water heater sees pressure is when it actually starts heating. So the pilot will light, and you'll see the light up inside of here. You'll actually see the flame up inside of here.
Okay.
And then here's your dials. So we'll go over the dials here in a second, but
Well, it looks like one's hot and one's cold.
one's hot, one's cold, and it also adjusts flow. There's not much adjustment for flow. And then obviously it comes out the outlet to your shower head. And so your shower head has a stop. And when you press that, when you push this in to relieve the stop, is when everything kind of kicks on. So this is like your master switch. Now this is going to make a noise. This pump is going to turn on, which is going to send water through. But it will stop once it hits a high pressure. So there's a high pressure switch inside of here. So if this is on stop, which is basically closed, it will basically prime it up. So I can feel the pressure inside of here. We got a little leak right there. But
Oh. 19.
probably
Is that Celsius? 18. I don't know what Celsius is.
I got it on heat, on max. 18.
Propane on?
No. Propane's not on. That explains it. So you just hit the stop button. It stops it. But we got a leak here. That's why it's sitting there kind of pumping.
Propane's on, you said.
Propane's on.
So we'll take.
You have to edit that video.
I'll start
I
over.
can see a flame in there.
Oh,
See
okay.
that flame? Yeah. Oh, she's warm.
Yeah, 26, 29, 31, 33, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40.
Hot water stop.
That's as low as it's gonna go.
There we go. Now you're cooking. A little more. That's pretty good.
So water temp, pressure, or flow. Water temp, flow.
Oh, okay.
Not bad, dudes.
Okay.
Save that water. So I just hit stop, and there we go. What do you think of that strat?
Something we would never think about having.
That's for sure. It worked on the first try. All right, let's get this thing moved over there to the shower, baby. Here's Dad taking a shower in the bivvy.
Nice! Nice!
All right,
Oh, man.
1 out of 10. What do you rate it?
10.
10, baby.
Heck yeah.
Power up on camping.